This is our third unboxing of Disney Doorables. Series 5, 41 to collect. Struggle. Two in a box. Oh, we got one of the evil stepsisters from Cinderella. Which one's this one? I forget. And got one of the Aristocats. So now we have Anna, Pua from Moana. Got Prince Charming from Cinderella. Got Thumper from Bambi. Evil stepsister from Cinderella. And one of the aristocrat cats. And then we'll see what we need. What else we can collect. So we got Mickey and Friends. Bambi. We have all the Cinderella. I need this one now. We have Tangled. Very cute. On the other side, still more. Sleeping Beauty. The rest of the Aristocats. Toy Story, Moana, and Frozen.